Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. Firstly, we need to turn off them, so at your right ear cup we have power button, you need to press and hold it. We just turn off the headphones. Now this headphones disconnected from the phone. You can check it if you go to the settings and Bluetooth for connected devices. If you have iOS near to your headphones, you will see the information not connected. If you have Android, it depends, because let's say on stock Android it will move from media devices to save devices, or from my devices to save devices. But let's say on Realme you have the information under your headphones in use when these headphones connected with the phone, and no information when it disconnected. So maybe you have a similar path to check it, if you want, of course. Now, after we turn off them, we need to turn on. So press and hold again power button. Here we go, and your headphones should reconnect with your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all devices, with all Bluetooth devices, that they don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, just go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and tap at your headphones at the device list. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!